This day shows us the importance of national unity.
Let's make an India where everyone goes to school.
To promote kindness and compassion,
we must solve rising intolerance and hate.
Today we need to think about the increasing hate and intolerance.
Al Jamia Academy Learn to Grow.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Happy Independence Day. This day shows us the importance of national unity. We need to solve social issues in the country. Let's make an India where everyone has basic facilities and equal rights.
Today, we remember to learn. Let's make an India where everyone goes to school. An India where every child can dream big. Together, we can make learning easy for all.
This day reminds us of our history and struggle for freedom. Today we need to think about the increasing hate and intolerance. Let's work for a better India where everyone has equal rights and freedom.
This day helps us remember our fight for freedom. We must solve rising intolerance and hate. Let's work for an India where everyone lives in peace, an India where unity and brotherhood are strong.
to promote kindness and compassion. Let's create an India where everyone cares for each other, an India where love and support are abundant. Together we can achieve this. Happy Independence.
Today, we honor our freedom fighters. We must protect our environment for future generations. Let's make an India that is clean and green, an India where nature and people thrive together. Together, we can achieve this.
This day reminds us of our unity and diversity. We need to stop hatred and promote peace. Let's create an India where people of all faiths live in harmony. An India where love and respect bring us together. Let's work towards this goal. Happy Independence Day.
This day reminds us of our nation's progress. We need to work for social justice. Let's create an India where everyone gets justice. An India where equality and brotherhood exist. Thank you. This day makes us feel our freedom. We must make our democracy strong. Let's work for a government that listens to everyone. An India where every voice is heard. Happy Independence Day to all. Those who fought for our freedom. India is growing, but we have some problems. True freedom means living in peace and happiness. Let's make a better future for everyone.
We need to solve social issues in the country. Let's make an India where everyone has basic facilities and equal rights.
Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please, if you like the video, do subscribe, share and leave the comment. मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि अलजामिया एकेडमी एक ऐसा लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ मुख्तलिफ़ कोर्सेस कराए जाते हैं। इसके इंग्लिश कोर्स में अब तक 120 से ज़ायद तलबा व तालिबात एडमिशन लेकर इंग्लिश सीखने का सफ़र शुरू कर चुके हैं। आप भी अलजामिया एकेडमी के ऑनलाइन इंग्लिश कोर्स में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हो तो इस नंबर पर व्हाट्सअप मैसेज या कॉल करें। थैंक्स अ लॉट।